What if that jelly face mask you love is hiding the dangerous secret? You might think you are treating your skin, but beneath that glossy surface lurks a hidden threat. It's time to confront the alarming truth about DIY jelly beauty treatments. Those vibrant colors and enticing textures can be deceiving, and many people are unaware of the risks tied to these seemingly harmless mixtures. As you chase the latest beauty trends, what's really happening to your skin when the camera is off? Remember the last time you whipped up that Instagram-worthy jelly mask. It felt like a fun science experiment, but what if the ingredients you chose are actually harming your skin? It's not just about aesthetics. Understanding what you apply to your face is crucial. DIY enthusiasts often overlook the hidden dangers of common ingredients. The gelatin might be the least of your worries about preservatives, fragrances, or even the quality of the water. These often ignored details can trigger allergic reactions or irritation that may not show up until it's too late. Picture this: you've just applied your homemade jelly mask, feeling refreshed and ready for your self-care moment. But hours later, redness starts creeping in, and that soothing sensation turns into discomfort. Sound familiar? For many, this is a wake-up call. Let's face it, those TikTok trends can be entertaining, but they often skip crucial warnings. You scroll through your feed, see someone rave about a jelly treatment and think, I need to try that. You gather your ingredients unaware of the potential for chemical reactions or skin sensitivities. Here's the hard truth: not everyone's skin reacts the same way. While one person might achieve glowing results, another could suffer a breakout or worse. Have you ever considered what your skin is trying to tell you? Those signals can indicate more than just temporary reactions. They may reveal deeper issues. So, what's the takeaway? Before diving into that next DIY beauty trend, take a moment to pause and listen to your skin. It might be sending you urgent jelly warning signs you can't ignore. A simple patch test or a bit of research can go a long way in preventing bigger problems down the line. As you explore the world of DIY beauty, remember, curiosity is great, but caution is crucial. If you're unsure, consulting with a professional might be your best bet. Your skin deserves the best, and sometimes that means looking beyond the latest trend. Next time you reach for that jelly mask, ask yourself, is it worth the risk? You have the power to make informed choices, and your skin will thank you. Have you ever thought about putting jelly on your face? It might seem harmless and even a bit fun, but there are hidden risks with DIY jelly beauty treatments that you should consider. Imagine scrolling through social media, seeing everyone looking radiant, and coming across a video of someone using jelly to hydrate their skin. You might think, I can totally do that. But what if I told you this could lead to unexpected risks? Many people overlook the potential dangers. Jelly may feel nice initially, but have you checked the ingredients? Store-bought jellies often contain preservatives and additives that aren't great for your skin, which could lead to breakouts or irritation without you even realizing why. Now picture yourself in a cozy bathroom, excited to try that jelly mask. It feels refreshing on your skin, but what about bacteria? Leaving that jar open can invite unwanted germs, and those tiny pathogens might be more harmful than you think. A few days later, you might notice your skin reacting: redness, bumps, and maybe an itch that just won't go away. You start to wonder if this was worth it. What if that seemingly innocent treatment is hiding something worse? You are not alone. Many have had similar experiences, thinking they were treating themselves well, only to find that jelly could turn out to be their skin's worst enemy. This is just an isolated incident. It's a trend that could affect anyone trying to save a few bucks on beauty products. So, what's the solution? Always check the ingredients. Know exactly what you're putting on your skin. And don't skip the patch test. The last thing you want is to turn your self-care routine into a self-inflicted disaster. Remember that beauty doesn't have to come from a jar of jelly. Sometimes the best treatments come from nature, not your kitchen. Take a moment to consider what you truly want for your skin. Before diving into the next viral trend, pause and think it through. Your skin will definitely thank you. Did you know that a simple DIY jelly beauty treatment could lead to a skin disaster? Many people dive into these trendy recipes without realizing the hidden dangers lurking beneath that shiny surface. Imagine you're at home, excited to try the latest jelly mask you saw online. It looks fun, colorful, and inviting, but the potential risks in those ingredients might surprise you. You may think you're indulging in a harmless self-care ritual, but there's more to consider. Let's talk about levels, a crucial factor often overlooked in DIY recipes. If you create a jelly with the wrong ingredients, it could disrupt your skin's natural balance, leading to irritation or breakouts. Sounds concerning, right? Now, picture applying that jelly. It feels amazing at first, but what if your skin is having a negative reaction beneath the surface? It's easy to fall for misinformation in the beauty world, especially with social media flooded with glowing reviews. Have you ever been tempted to add a few secret ingredients? Be cautious, as those trendy natural additives might contain allergens you didn't even know you had. What starts as a fun DIY project could end with a trip to the dermatologist. Think back to the last time you tried something new and felt that rush of excitement. That thrill can quickly turn into panic if a simple DIY jelly treatment goes wrong, leaving you with